have an exciting news. Finally got the E34 back. I missed it so much. It's back from head gasket work. So hopefully it doesn't blow again anytime soon. Today's mission is to change up these mirrors and fix the sunroof and put the front lip on finally. While we were waiting for my car to get back, we got another project for MJ. 95 E36 sedan. Main issue is just the paint, really, and the seats. But we got new seats from an E38 or 9, I forget. But the car came with this driver's seat, but I found these ones on Facebook from E38, I believe. And mats. So hopefully we could get them to fit in the 36. Yesterday didn't go as planned, so I came Hot Wheel hunting. That's what I found so far. Alright, I got a pretty good haul from Target, which is kind of a surprise because I never find anything at Target. I'll show you guys when I get home. Mondo D's or epoxy, whatever it was. I don't even know. JB Weld epoxy because there was cracks in them. Time to hopefully fix the sunroof. Just gotta unscrew these and take that old rail out. Screws are out, sunroof's out, off. Just gotta take these off somehow. Oh, like that. Well, I got the old ones off, but I ran into my first problem. On the old ones, they were like riveted. And these ones didn't come with anything. They were riveted onto this bottom piece and I cracked it. So, I don't know. I had to figure out what to do. Alright, so I finally got it on. But at what cost? That was such a pain in the ass. These are the best interior mods you could get for like older BMWs. I have one in the 36. This is before and after. Alright, now trying to actually put on the front lip, the M5 front lip, or M5 style. But to do so, I have to cut out these holes for this, for the airflow, and that's what is going on right now. Front lip is on. You can tell how bad my holes are just by this. I got it on. Has these tappers in. So been a minute since the last clips. That's because we're moving out. House is almost empty. This is great. RIP everything. Freaking piece of shit car. This is fun. The fucking shit broke off. I'm a fucking fuck. Fucking coolant all over the place. Alright. It's been a minute since the last clip. Finally found the place. Here's the little setup. Been collecting some parts. Got new brake pads and rotors. I'll show those later. I got some coilovers and a reverse camera for this big ass boat. God damn. Here we are currently. It is not making a move. Got one on. Just tightening the top.
It's not long enough.
Hey yo.
Wait. Wait. Hear me out.
What do you mean by that?
It ain't long enough. That's all I'm gonna say.
Alright. The wheel is on, now time to drop. See how it goes. That's it.
I mean, it's still. It's
oh yeah,
pretty good.
a little bit. I didn't want to drop it all the way yet until I get the fronts
It's pretty good though.
ready. Alright, now we just maxing it out. Just to see how low it gets. Yes sir.
No losses.
Fuck it, we ball. I didn't go max low. I'm too scared. Oh, I can. You can't see it. But who wants to do the honors? Slow. That was not slow.
Sorry, it's lit.
Is that all?
No, wait.
Damn.
That's all.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
I mean,
There's still a lot of space, man.
Boy, you're low as shit.
I mean, fender wise.
There's still a lot of space, bruh. We gotta go lower.
This boy. The rear. Oh.
We lowered it even more. And I like how it's looking now. A lot better.
Spacers. That's it.
Yeah, just need some spacers or wider wheels.
Just get wider wheels.
I ain't got
Big
wider
beasties.
wheels, monies.
Pull up.
Next one is out.
What's off?
Ants LS is next up to get slammed. Got the Megans. Back seats are off. So look at these. Next one is out. Driver's side, back rear. Had to get an impact gun. They're on. No more wheel gap. Just need better finish.
Oh, I'm happy. Hey, you happy, bro?
Sold the front for 200.
Nice. Time for the front.
Damn, that looks good already, though. Oh, that looks good. Damn. That shit looks good. Hey, it's stuck. Is it?
It's stuck.
Oh, fuck. Well, let's put a brick underneath. Yeah, hold on. We got one right here. Is it too low? A little bit. A little bit.
I said, how much?
Alright, don't move. A little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit. A little bit more. More.
Flat.
Go. Woo. Go ahead, go.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. Damn, that looks hella good.
That shit looks crazy.
Put them wheels on.
Oh, man.
Those wheels on this right now? Oh, man, that's beautiful. That's a huge
Hey, it's not low enough.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, max it out.
Max it, damn it.
No springs.
Oh! Oh my goodness! It is currently 7:43 a.m. on Friday morning, and I'm hopefully going to get my fronts welded today. Cause fitment is trash right now. I'll show you guys later when I get there. Hopefully by today this changes. One spindle out. Shout out to my boy Devin. Yes sir.
You needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. Yeah. And you ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. I watch the blood as it comes out, I love to see it gushing. You ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. I watch the blood as it comes out, I love to see it gushing. The only time you fall in love is just when you above me. Inside his bed, I jump head first in love with feeling something. Wish I was good at love the way I'm good at counting money. Turn around when now I gotta see you pounding for me. Please don't ask me what's wrong, don't wanna talk about it. I don't tell you about the drugs, cause you gon' talk me out it. I feel my battery drain, I sense a power outage. And when I feel something wrong, I talk to Pat about it.
Upgrades.
Give me superpowers. I feel obsessed when I geek. I see the spiders crawling. Bitch, I don't fuck with police, but I bet you gon' call them. Lil' bro, call me OG. My family know I'm solid. Get stressed whenever I leave. I make another problem. Bet you gon' see me equipped if I see him, I pop him. He know I ain't for the head. Leave him like rock'em sock'em. You ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out. I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. I watch the blood as it comes out. I love to see it gushing. You ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out,
Nice.
I didn't see it coming.
Alright, so I went a little bit lower, more low on the front. So here, I think I want to go a little more low in the front still, but things came up and I have to go now, so I'll probably fix it later, but I'm content for now. I'm not squatted anymore. Let's go.
I watch the blood as it comes out, I love to see it gushing. The only time you fall in love is just when you above me. Inside his bed, I jump head first in love with feeling something. Wish I was good at love the way I'm good at counting money. Turn around when now I gotta see you pounding for me. Please don't ask me what's wrong, don't wanna talk about it. I don't tell you about the drugs, cause you gon' talk me